Hi, welcome to Delight Me. From this platform, you can set goals for yourself and others, track progress, and communicate with people in your Delight Me network. When you first sign in to Delight Me, you see your dashboard. Your life dashboard is where you see new messages, your to-do list of can-dos or action items that you can do to achieve your goals, and a graph of the progress that you're making towards your goals. If you click over to your coaching dashboard, you see the progress that members of your Delight Me network are making towards achieving their goals too. On the goals page, you can see a list of your goals, which we will explore in more depth momentarily. The can-dos page is a list of your daily action steps that you can do to achieve the goals that you set for yourself. Again, we will learn more about can-dos shortly. On the progress page, you can see the progress that you've been making towards your goal. The default time frame is to see your progress over the past 2 weeks, but you can change that setting to fit any time period you're curious about. If you scroll down, you can see a table of the raw data that's associated with your goal. Our messaging system allows you to easily message people in your network. Your Delight Me network is your private group of friends and trusted advisors that you can communicate and create goals with. Now that we've briefly explored the site pages, let's create a goal. By clicking on the Create a Goal button, you call up the Delight Me Goal Wizard, which helps you create your goal in 5 steps. In step 1, you decide who you will assign your goal to, either yourself or someone else in your Delight Me network. Let's start with a self goal. First, you give your goal a short name that you will recognize on your goals page among other goals. For example, if you want to run a marathon by November, you might title your goal November Marathon, or Run Marathon, or just Marathon. In the next field, you can describe your goal in more detail if you want to. Run the Turkey Trot Marathon in November of 2014. You can also choose to set a target end date for your goal. In this case, November 27th, 2014 is appropriate. And you can select a goal category for your goal. If you set many goals, giving them categories will help you sort through them later on. In this case, we will call this a hobby goal. In step 2, you add can-dos to your goal to help you achieve that goal. A can-do is an action or habit that you can do regularly to help you achieve your larger goal. For example, to run this marathon, you're going to need to train regularly, eat healthfully, and get plenty of rest. Let's create a can-do for our marathon goal. Perhaps I want to drink water daily to help me stay hydrated between now and the marathon. I will give our first can-do for our marathon goal a short name of drink water. Then I will describe it in more detail. Drink water daily between now and the turkey trot. Now you tell the goal wizard whether you want to track your can-do as a number or a checkbox. For example, with this can-do to drink water daily, do you want to track how many cups or ounces of water you're drinking, a number of units, or do you just want to track whether or not you're drinking water on a daily basis, period? If you choose to track the number of ounces or glasses or cups of water that you consume daily, you click the number option and specify a target range for how much water you want to drink daily. In this case, let's say we want to drink a minimum of 5 glasses of water each day and a maximum of 10. So we enter our range of 5 to 10, and we can choose any kind of unit, ounces, cups, mugs, etc. We will stick with glasses in this case. What this means is that each time you enter data about this can-do to drink water, you will be entering how many glasses of water you're drinking. If you had chosen the checkbox option for this can-do, you would have just checked off whether or not you were drinking water daily. In step 3, you tell the goal wizard how often you want to be reminded about this can-do. We already said in the previous screen that you want to track how often you drink water on a daily basis, which is the default setting for how often Delight Me will send you reminders about your can-do. But maybe you only want to check in about your can-do weekly. You can do this too. Additionally, you may want to track this can-do within a specified time frame within your goals time frame. For example, if you wanted to stop tracking your water consumption 2 days or 1 week before the turkey trot, you can specify that in the from and to fields of this step. In step 4, you can review the can-do you just created, make sure it's all correct, and go back and edit any errors if necessary. In step 5, you can review the entire goal that you have just created and make any necessary edits and add more can-dos to this goal. When you click Done, the new goal appears on your goal list, and you can always go back and edit it. We hope you found this quick goal setting tutorial useful. Good luck, and have fun setting goals and tracking progress. Remember, if you can dream it, you can do it.